Howdy everyone, so this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 Houston. We'll find your perfect Houston luxury apartment in one day. Instead of spending a month, why don't you just give the problem to us and we'll have your perfect place figured out in as little as one day. We're gonna look at this beautiful 2-bedroom apartment. This is at the Omni Uptown. This is a fantastic location, a fantastic apartment. I think it is just gorgeous. We're doing just a quick walkthrough so you can see it. Look how big this kitchen is. The kitchen is just stunning. I love not only how big it is, but how much counter space you have. You could have so many people over here and they would have a blast because your place looks amazing. So you've got this kitchen with so many cabinets. There's so much cabinet space, so much storage. You've also got a lot of space if you like to cook, if you want to prepare those intricate dishes or grilled cheese sandwich, whatever you want, whatever your taste is, whatever you want, you can have it prepared easily here. Or if you just want to bring in and cater it in, you can do that too. Here you've got all your, you've got every appliance that you need. You've got a fridge, you've got washer dryer in there, that's included. Everything is all here. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. And then you've just got a beautiful area to have your sofa, chairs, you can have a table. You've got a work from home area here too. You've just got it all covered in this beautiful 2-bedroom, and it's great for roommates. Hey, would you like to find out more about how you could have your search over as early as today? Instead of spending 30 minutes, 30 hours, 30 days, 2 months trying to find your apartment, reach out to us, get us working on it for you. It's 100% free service. We'll find your perfect place in no time, and we'll get you touring if you'd like to do that, or we'll help you select online the absolute perfect place, and we're 100% free. We're very new grad friendly as well, but we're also out of state and out of the city friendly too. So if you're looking at this and you're right now in England or you're in China or you're in South America, hey, we're going to be able to help you quickly find your place, and we'll do it all remotely. We do that all the time, and we'll make it a smooth search for you. So reach out to us. We can't wait to hear from you. Talk to you soon.